let me teach you about the arithmetic operators that Java has to offer. So they allows us to perform common mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so on and so forth. So if you have two numbers, so here let's just say int and then number 1 equals 2 and then 10, and let's also have number 2, so int number 2 in here, and I'm going to touch on naming these variables in a second, but for now just name them as this, and let's also say that this is 20. If I want to add these numbers together, let me just print to the console. I can say number 1 and then plus number and then 2. If I want to subtract these numbers, I just say minus. If I want to multiply these numbers, I can say times. If I want to divide, I can just say divide. So this is the divide symbol in here. So 10 divided by 20. And let's just change this number so that we get a proper result. So let's just say 2, for example. And in fact, let me just make 3 in here. And finally, what I want to show you is the modulus operator. So here, let me just duplicate this. And in here, I can say modulus. So this is the percent sign. So this is saying how many times number 2 can go into number 1. And then the remainder is basically the result. So what is left? So 3 can go into 10 3 times, and the remainder is 1. If I run this in here, you can see that I get 13, 7, 30, 3, and then 1. Now, if you have done any maths since primary school and whatnot, you probably know about BODMAS. So BODMAS, which means, so let me just put this here. So brackets, order, and let me just put this on a new line in here. So have a look. You've got brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So if, for example, in here, say here, south. So here I can have brackets, and then I can say 2 plus 2 times, and then brackets, 3 divided by 1, and then I can say times, and then 2, for example, right? So here I'm using multiplication, but this could be any sign. So first will be this, then this, and then the result of it. So 2 plus 2, 4. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So 4 times 3, 12, times 2, 24. So if I run it, hopefully, there we go, 24. So you can see that the BODMAS rule does apply. So this is pretty much it. Next, I want to show you the plus plus and minus minus operators.